Kate here. I'm just got sent this really cool product this week from a company called Nappy Needz, and it's the first one I've seen of its kind, so really excited to share this with you. It is a menstrual cup, but it's different from any menstrual cup I've ever seen. So obviously I've talked about menstrual cups a lot, but this one here is a first for me. Came in this cute little container, so they're not like their normal long cells, and that's because it's a little collapsible, that's good, isn't it? Collapsible menstrual cup. So how it works is it just pops out like that, and then you're good to go. Really soft. That's the first thing that I noticed about it, was the fabric, or the material was really soft. Works really easily. Again, you've got your different folds to use it, but I was really fascinated and sort of read up a little bit about it, and they say that it's not suitable for somebody with a really heavy flow because it's not quite a huge capacity, but really good for women with light to medium flows, or I like that they said that you could put it in an emergency kit, so just in case you have an emergency situation, you could have this one just stacked away in its little container, ready for any situation that you come across. So it can be good for that, like any sort of emergency that you need something and you haven't got your normal one. So it just pops into its little container and seals off quite nicely, and it came in a wee cute little bag. So like, it's cool to see all the different things they're doing with menstrual cups these days, trying to make them more and more convenient. Like I said, really nice soft cup, quite small in some ways, so it's in between their small and medium cup, but I do like the idea that you could literally chuck that in your glove box just in case you ever needed it. So really nice, simple sort of an idea. I haven't tried it myself. I'll definitely have a go with it and see what I think of it, but from the outset I think it's a really cool idea and makes it really convenient to chuck in your purse just in case you get it when you're out and about and you're not prepared. So thanks for sending that through, Nappy Needz, for us to have a look. And if you'd like to have a look at them on their website, we'll chuck a link up. And feel free to comment below about anything you find around about menstrual cups and your thoughts about it as well. So that's it from me today. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again next time.